Hello everybody, once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can see volume on TradingView, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on TradingView and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface on in the screen where you can see the chart of the BTC USDT, and right above this chart you can see the indicators option which is at right side of the chart. So you simply need to click on that indicators option, and now another section pops out right where you can see the search bar at top. You need to search for volume over here. Now you can see volume option at fourth. You need to click on that option and you will be able to add volume successfully, and at the bottom of the chart you can see the volume. So basically this is how you can see volume on TradingView. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.